All right, buddy. Guess what? Rat Rod Coyote is back, and we got a whole heck of a lot of stuff we got to get done today. First on the docket, swapping this tank out. Putting my old tank in. It's already got the 340. It's ready to go. So that's project number one. Project number two, we got to get the 7.5 out. Drop an 8.8 in it. And then we got to run fuel lines to the front of the car. And we got to do a cooling system. So there's a big reason we got to do all this now, which I'll explain here in just a minute. Oh yeah, we're making progress. Got that all out, tanks out. Got our donor rear end here. This was out of the silver car, wasn't it? The silver GT?
Yeah, that gray one out there?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, 8.8 action going in. Well, I think, what do you think, run fuel lines before we put the rear end back in? Make life a lot easier. Wide open under here. Of course, it's only gonna lift one side. Can you jack it up? Let's see. Yeah. It ain't quite centered. Maybe we can get one side started. Oh shit. Okay. Coming down. Alright.
Alright, go back up.
What do you think? You want me to hold this side down? Oh, it's close. Hammer? Yeah, hold on. Yeah, you got it. All right. Keep coming.
Yeah. Hold on. Stick it in this direction. Yeah, I need to just so they be the same.
Yeah. Whenever they took them off, they were.
Hold on, let me get it twisted so I can get the same as this side.
You want me to let the jack down?
No.
Okay. Let's see how close we are. Oh yeah, we're close. Need to come down.
Get it?
Yeah, it's right at it. I need to rotate it, didn't I? Yeah. There's a hammer.
We need to do it. Yeah, get your bolt started in.
Alright. Oh, so close. Get this one in. Oh, you almost had it right there. You were right at it. Back.
Oh, you get it. I'll watch it back.
It's in.
Whew. Put your net on it.
That's what she said.
What's Chris talking about over there? Man, that's not bad at all. We got an 8.8.
Matches the rest of the car, too.
It does, yeah. It's got the nice rusty patina on there. We're gonna get shorter bolts, but I needed them to hold. Got strange adjustables. Nothing wrong with that. All right, here it comes. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Horrible. They all milky and shit. All right, guys, so we decided we're gonna go ahead and just build the rear end before just get it knocked out. So we're putting the man's gear in the rat rod car. So there's a 273 come out of it, okay? There's a 488 that's going in it. That is one hell of a difference. What'd you say? Man gear, right? That is freaking crazy.
Huge difference.
Yeah. Huge. But, man, this rear end came right apart like nothing. Get that gear in it, and everything's pretty well done back here. Slapped the tank in it, which we got it right there. Or no, right there. We got a lot of tanks in here. There's shit everywhere.
Yeah, the one with all the red on it.
The one, yeah, that's the best way to know.
Yeah.
All right, so whole ass end is back together, and ironically, I don't know if you see the red overspray. This is the tank out of my car. It still had the 340 and all that, and so we just put it all in there. So that's good to go. I think my tailpipes might have been melting a little bit, but rear end and 488 are in. Found some strange adjustables. Got UPR uppers and lowers. All that's good to go. Got an X pipe on. Let's see. All the fuel lines are on. Where are the fuel lines? So I think now we're gonna drop it down and put the radiator in it, and it'll be damn near mission accomplished for everything we needed to get done. All right, boys, so I know you're probably asking yourself, what the hell is the Mach 1 doing back? Well, I'll tell you. Yeah, I know you guys remember this one. This is the 5.0 cam stroker, 4 valve ported heads. It beat you at a car show, didn't it?
It did.
Well, your car's nice too, Chris.
Oh, I know.
Yeah. But he wasn't happy in A, and I mean, nobody's happy in A, right? No. So he just dropped off piles and piles of parts. But this is what we're doing. So he's got the ported Stiggy. He's got the AccuFab elbow, which is beautiful. Didn't he say the lower was ported too?
Lower's ported too, he said.
And then this is just like almost too pretty to put on the car. We have the entire timing cover, the bridge. These are all UPR, I think he said, and that's a Metco billet bracket. I mean, this thing is gonna be sick. They got all the Canton tanks, all powder coated. Metco lower. Billet, love billet. Got all the goodies, and then what, AFCO heat exchanger, I think he said?
Yep.
Got all the silicone hoses, Canton power steering reservoir. So the Mach 1 is getting a serious upgrade. I'm excited. That thing's it's gonna be a tire fryer, dude.
Yes.
I mean, probably the cleanest Mach 1 in this area for sure. I mean, this thing is absolutely beautiful. Fresh paint, interior's been all redone. Brand new engine. Badass ride. So, one thing that we've got planned is, I know you guys told you we are running the brand new MS3 Pro from AMP-EFI for the Coyote. And this thing is pretty freaking badass. Does drive-by-wire, VVT, all of that stuff. And super excited to do this. But I was talking with the guys at AMP-EFI, and they asked if we might lend them the car for a little development. And we're like, yeah, why not? It's going to come back tuned, and it's going to be great. So, we're getting everything together, get the car mobile, all that, and then we're going to carry it down to Georgia and let them do their thing. There was some testing they wanted to do on Gen 2, and then it'll come back ready, which will be a good thing. Because, you know, we're short on projects. Yeah. You know, we don't have enough to keep us busy. But oh yeah, Ford Takeover, man, it's about to be ground zero for FTO. So we're waiting on the throttle body. That should be here anytime. We pretty much hydro boost lines and put a radiator and shit. And
hydro boost lines, radiator, steering shaft.
Yeah.
Fire up the alternator starter. Put the brakes back on.
It doesn't look like a lot, but we've got a lot done. Fuel system, all the lines, regulator, all that's hooked up.
Yeah, except for the one line.
Oh yeah, we still got to get the regulator to the rail. But okay, this car is so badass. All the rust, you know, it just kind of makes it, you know. We even over straightened out the core support or the real radiator support. Patina rides, you gotta love them. All right, boys, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up. Lots going on. Don't forget, Ford Takeover is upon us, guys. We're about a month out. Gonna be legit. If you don't have your rooms, you better get online and find one now. And look forward to seeing everybody. It's gonna be freaking amazing. So, if you did enjoy this, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.